Hi everyone. I'm Dr. Abdul Tawfiq, Assistant Professor at SNS College of Physiotherapy. Today I'll be presenting on the function of muscle under the subject of biomechanics. The topic is fundamental for the physiotherapy students because of understanding how muscle works and help us to treat, rehabilitate the patient effectively. Starting with the introductions, muscles are specialized soft tissue designed to produce force and movements. They make up to about 40 to 50 percentage of our body weight and are under the control of nervous system. There are three major types of muscles in human body: skeletal and cardiac, smooth on each with unique roles in survival and daily activities. The types, what are the types of muscles? Skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles, and smooth muscles. Skeletal muscles are voluntary stated attached to the bones and are responsible for body movements and posture too. Cardiac muscles are involuntary and stated movements found only in the heart, pumping blood continuously without fatigue. Smooth muscles are involuntary, non-stated muscles located in organs like intestines, blood vessels, and uterus, maintaining internal functions such as digestion and blood pressures. Skeletal muscles. Uh, Skeletal muscles is an organized into layers, emphysema covering with whole muscles, perimuseum covering the fascicles, endomuseum covering surrounding each muscle fibers. Each muscle fibers contains of myofibrils which are made of repeated contrital unit called sarcomere. The sarcomere is the true functional unit of muscles. Sarcomere. What is the function? In the sarcomere, the thick filament made of myosin and thin filaments made of actin, the troponin and tropomyosin interact. According to the sliding filament theory, the myosin heads pulls on actin, shortening the muscle. This is how the contraction and force generation occurs in the body. What is the neuromuscular junction? Neuromuscular junctions, muscle contraction behind at the neuromuscular junction. Here the motor neuron release acetylcholine release, which causes the muscle fiber to depolarize. This leads to release of calcium ions, triggering the contractions. Clinically, the problems at this junction can cause weakness, as seen in the myasthenia gravis or other neuro nerve injuries. What are the functions of muscles? The functions of muscles are severe and several vital functions. Movements such as locomotion, facial expression, and breathing. The posture and stability help us to maintain upright body position. The heat production through shivering. The joint production preventing the dislocation, for example, by rotator cuff. Circulation assistance both in the heart and through the skeletal pumps. The organ protection such as abdominal and thoracic muscles shielding the internal organs. What are the skeletal muscles types? The skeletal muscles are contain different types fibers. Type 1, type 2A, type 2B. Type 1 slow twitch fibers, red fibers such rich in mitochondria, resistant to fatigue, suited for endurance activities like marathon running. Type 2 fast and oxidative type fibers. They use for balance and power and endurance in the muscles. Type 2B fast and glycolytic white fibers, few mitochondrial presence, high power but quick to fatigue, important for the sprinting and weightlifting types of sports. What are the clinical relevance? When muscle fails to function properly, we see the issues such as weakness, for example, after the stroke or nerve injury, a spasm and tightness common in neck and back pain, atrophy which happen due to immobilization or aging. As a physiotherapist, we address these through strengthening exercise and stretching, neuromuscular and re-education, and post-surgical rehabilitation. Now we can conclude the topic. The muscle are essential for movement, posture and circulation and survival. These structures from sarcomere to whole muscle supports these functions. For the physiotherapist, a deep understanding of a muscle science is a critical and helping the patient to recover and regain their functions. Thank you for your attentions.